by the end of the video. For no ABOUT HIIT for newbies, 20-minute total body workout for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best fitness tips and workouts for all levels. Today, we're exploring the world of high-intensity interval training HIIT, and we've got a 20-minute total body workout for our beginners. First things first, remember to warm up before starting. We recommend a short jog, some dynamic stretches, or even a few jumping jacks to get your muscles ready. Now, let's dive into the workout. 1. Wide push-ups 10 reps. Start on your knees or toes, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body towards the floor, keeping your elbows close to your body to protect your shoulders. Engage your core and push back up. 2. Single leg squats 10 reps each leg. Stand with one leg off the ground and lower yourself into a squat position with good form. Knees should be over ankles and hips should stay in line with your feet. Make sure to keep your core engaged throughout the entire exercise. 3. Tricep dips 10 reps. Sit on the ground with hands placed behind you, fingers pointing towards your hips. Keep elbows close to your body as you lower down until arms are at 90 degrees. Push back up without locking out elbows for maximum benefit for triceps. 4. Plank hold 45 seconds. Get into a high plank position with hands shoulder width apart under shoulders and feet hip width apart. Keep core tight throughout to maintain proper form and full benefit from this of exercise. Engage in these exercises for 3 rounds with a rest period of 60 seconds in between each round. This will give you a well-rounded workout that targets all major muscle groups in just 20 minutes. Remember to start slow and gradually increase intensity as you become more comfortable with HIIT workouts. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy.